I want to show you today how I make tea. Tulsi tea, mint, raspberry, all together. I do it almost every day. It is a great tonic. It balances your energies, your doshas, your forces. And if you are working outside, herbs from your garden can be a great aid to help you to adjust yourself to what's happening out there. So I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, thank you. Please enjoy. Thank you. This is Tulsi, and this is the Vishnu kind, and it's late in the season, it's fall, but it's still flowering, and you see the bees coming. The first bees are coming because the plant Tulsi is waking up. A bee comes to a plant that is awake. The nectar is flowing, the pollen is ready to be picked up. When the plant is sleeping in the evening, then the bee does not come. And here I have two kinds of mint. This dark one, this is chocolate mint. It smells like chocolate when you break the leaves. So we'll take a little bit of normal regular mint and chocolate mint. These are the last raspberries. These are the last raspberries. So this is chocolate mint, mint, Tulsi, and last the raspberries. I'm just looking if there are no bugs sleeping on it. And I will just put all of this here. Like this. This will be our tea. A couple of hours later, it is all ready, and this is what it looks like. The raspberry gives it a little reddish hue. It looks so beautiful against the blue sky. Elixir, the intimacy of the garden.